We will discuss how to change TikTok profile name in this video today. By default, TikTok pulled your profile name if you sign up on TikTok using your Gmail. But if you sign up using other means like phone number, using Google account, Instagram, TikTok might not pull your username, might not pull your profile name. So if you want to change your TikTok profile name, you have to do that yourself. Therefore, in this post, I'm going to show you step-by-step procedure to change your TikTok profile name. So let's get started. First and foremost, launch your TikTok app and make sure you log into your TikTok account. Tap on the main option located at the bottom right. You'll be taken to your TikTok profile. Tap on edit profile. Here you'll be taken to your TikTok profile account where you have access to your TikTok name, username, your TikTok bio, information, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. So you need to click on name, delete the name you already have there, and enter the new name. Adesomi Ben. And click on the save button to the top right. Wait for some seconds. Once the editing is done, your TikTok name will be changed. This is the step-by-step procedure on how to change your TikTok name on Android phone. Please, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel in order not to miss our next update. Thank you.